You've chosen to harvest corn. Corn is a major feed ingredient for Tennessee poultry and is used in hundreds of other products. Tennessee produces 8 billion pounds of corn each year. 65% of the corn grown in Tennessee is used to make feed for livestock. In 1 acre of corn, there is enough grain to produce more than 5,000 pounds of corn starch and over 200 pounds of corn oil. Cornstarch is used in many food products and in the production of tires, computer chips, and spark plugs. A box of corn flakes contains about 5 cents worth of corn. The ink used to print the cereal box costs more than the corn in the box. Thanks for riding along while we harvest Tennessee corn.